Right, we're gonna do our pizza. We have a silicone mat. If you guys can see it, it's gonna be in the description below. So I got a cutter too. What you want to do is spread out some flour, right? So we'll stick into the mat. Make sure it doesn't stick. And if it's a little wet, dry it up. I just rinsed it off this mat and dried it up as much as you can. All right. Put some everywhere. Some people like to put oil on their hands, but today we're just gonna. These are Trader Joe's dough ready to go. Yeah, Ryan? I'm gonna open it up. Let's try to get everything out because it's sticking to the plastic. As much as we can. And with this, you can make two to three pizzas almost. It's a lot of dough. So, and my advice is leave it out for a while. And look at that, it's gonna come off easily. And of course, we're gonna work on it a little bit, fluff it up. I would leave it resting even longer, but today we don't have time. I got the oven on already, so make sure get a little bit of flour everywhere. More flour. Wake it up. All right, this is good. It's ready to go. So we're gonna do, I'm not a professional, right? I just look like one. All right, what we want to do is make sure we got the dough ready. So cut it into two pieces. Like I said, it's two pizzas in here. All right, and start working a ball, and then you start messing around with it, shaping it up to the pizza, and then you can start spinning it around to make more. All right, I think we're ready to start adding it into our oven here. So it's not the perfect shape, but it does good. Now, we're also gonna flour with this, right? So it won't stick anywhere. Then, get it nice and large. There we go. This one's ready, so we're gonna add our sauce. Our sauce. Perfect. All right, that's good enough sauce, not too much. I did too much, overdid it, but that's all right. Cheese. Everywhere. Spinach. Mushrooms. And then the pizza resistance, the pepperonis. And pepperonis. Pepperonis. All right, ready to go to the oven. Let's go. All right, first pizza going in the oven here. It's cooking. We're gonna wait till the system comes out complete. As soon as it's done. Getting that nice toasty area. It's not too hot, but I want to add the pepperoni in there. There we go. Two mushrooms in there. We're making sure that it's not going to burn, so that's why we're going to keep an eye on it, because the heat sometimes is too hot or it's too cold. But right now we're cooking it at a certain temperature because I put it at medium. I didn't put it high because if I had it high, it would have burned off in 2 minutes right now. So it's been more than a minute already in there. And I'm waiting for this part right here to turn a little bit brownish. And we're looking for more, not less dryness. Also, we want to cook the bottom very well. And the thing is, I'm not familiar too much with my oven all the time because it changes its tone. If it sits for a while, some of the air pockets get clogged. That's why I'm hesitant sometimes like cleaning it out because it's very difficult. So right now we're gonna see how's it doing, and then I like to pick it up once in a while just to make sure, but it's still doughy. If you guys can see it, you can tell when it's still doughy. I don't want to get closer to the fire. This is perfect. You can also cook bread in here. You could do calzones, you could do other stuff, steaks. The steaks are not going to be well cooked in here. Sometimes you want to cook them inside first and bring them out here so you can get that charbroil. And we're seeing the first part of the actual pizza getting cooked, and it's getting slipperier, which is great because that's what I need. I need it to actually go underneath more, and I think that's good. Let's see how it came out. So it's perfect. Look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful pizza. It's ready. So let's go and eat it. All right, these two pizzas are ready. We're gonna cut them into half. All right. So we cut them into half. Make sure they're all in half so they can enjoy a piece from each one because they're gonna taste different. We're cooking different times, but they're ready to go. Let's try one piece right now. And I am gonna cut in another layer here. I know it wasn't a perfect pizza, but it's gonna taste incredible. So we're gonna open this one, cut this piece, that one too, that one too. So we got a couple pieces there, another one there, and another one there. All right, let's try it. All right, let's try homemade oven pizza. All right, so identical pizzas, different cooking times, all right? One cooked faster than the other one. On the money. That was good. Well cooked underneath. Has a crunchy taste. It's pretty good. So a lot of labor, but it's really good. So I hope you guys enjoy your meals.